Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just got done delivering a load of grain. I have some time left in my day to work a little bit on the cabover, so come along with that. Guys, so I got my panels here. I took them off. I ended up having to move this truck over to my father-in-law's. So we are going to order what I want done, what I want to be put on these, and go from there. Yeah. Thank you guys for being very patient with me. I feel like I'm in a better spot now to be able to actually work on this truck. Life has been crazy. I just had a baby, and I feel like I'm in a better spot mentally, physically. I have good people surrounded around me and with their support. So yeah. Guys, so we are a couple days from my initial video. We went down to the store and to pack up a couple things that we needed for my panels that I want to do. I'm going a different direction. It's going to be very time consuming, so I'm trying not to rush it because if I rush it, I know it's going to mess up and I'm gonna have to start all over. So you guys may only be getting maybe 1 or 2 videos a month, to be honest with you. Just with everything that's going on, I'm still driving. So yeah, let's get to it. We got the first part finished. We're going to come back tomorrow, sand them down, and then we're going to start the painting. That was all just prep. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I am on Instagram and TikTok, which might be banned, but still follow my accounts. Thank you for watching.